Hello guys, today I'm going to do a video for, well, I was reading one of I was watching one of Big Mac Worcester's videos the other day, and I noticed a comment on there by Rusty Skull Productions saying, oh, people have no respect for their possessions or something. I'm not being against Rusty Skull Productions, but basically Big Mac Worcester is using these vintage metal Henry bagless. Well, you can do this as long as you've got the essential part in the middle, which is the filter. And just an update on this, I've got a new part on the way. As you can see, it's all in bits. You can see it's got no motor in there. Basically what I've got on the way is the new middle section, basically this. Basically I've got one of these bits on the way. I brought it off a site called Apex Spares or something, but basically this one is broke on the back. Where is it? It's broke there, and it's all smashed up inside, so I've got a new one of them on the way. So that's just all resting together, and there's all crap coming out of it from somewhere, and also on top of the new Vac-Master motor for it. But and there's the cable all hanging up there with the thing. But anyway, getting back to this, you can use these Hoovers bagless, and to be honest with you, I sometimes do use them bagless if I run out of bags. But the reason I'm using this one bagless is because yeah, I hoovered up something wet. Well, I didn't know the thing was wet. Basically I've got an old the old George hose for this. I bought a new hose, which is that one. It's just about to see. I bought a new hose for this, the George, and the old wet vac hose I just transformed into a normal vacuum hose. But I used it on this because it's about 3 meters long, and I didn't know it had water in it still. But anyway, who cares? But I had to chuck the bag away because it was soaking wet. But my bedroom does need a hoover, as there's load of rubbish everywhere, all over the floor. And there's George again. So we'll set this Henry up, well, pneumatic up anyway, and we'll demonstrate it. So be back in a second. Oh. So set up now. Just had to screw the pipe on and plug it in. So let's turn it on and have a go. There we go. Yeah, it did work quite well. So unplug it. There's my two Hoover machines. Just have a look what it's picked up inside, just to be curious. Also, you use these bagless when you're picking up glass or something that's going to pierce the bag, unless you're using HEPA flows. But yeah, it's picked up quite a lot actually, despite it being regularly hoovered, this carpet, with well, I don't know what hoover I use. I use many of them, but there's that. all I do now is just wrap the cable around the top of this thing, like this. Like that, there we go. Okay, like that, that's it. It's very hard. I'll pause the video and then I'll show you. So, there was that. It's quite a good, nice little vacuum actually, this is. I took the face off, but that just will live next to George like that. So, thanks for watching and bye for now.